Welcome, friends, in Science Lecture First, Standard 10th, Lesson 11, The Human Eye and the Colorful World. In starting, we are going to take the topic of refraction of light through through the prism. Now, the prism diagram, the planar diagram of the prism, I have drawn it and try to explain you about the types of angles and type of the light rays that are there inside and outside the prism. Now, first of all, we'll start with an angle of the prism. Now, what is an angle of the prism? So, the angle between the two lateral faces is called as an angle of the prism. That is, angle A is angle of the prism. The two lateral faces that we are trying to explain you is AB and AC, which is the light which is coming and the light which is leaving. The two faces, except then the third face, is called as faces of the prism, and the angle between these two faces is called as an angle of the prism, as here as an angle A. Fine. Going furthermore, PE. Now, what is PE? So, PE is an incident ray. This PE ray, which is coming towards the prism, is called as an incident ray. The light coming from the source and approaching towards the prism. Next is EF. Now, what is EF? EF is a refracted ray. Refracted ray is in the glass prism that was on the surface AB. Incident ray was on the surface AB. This is an surface AB, so this was coming towards the surface AB. The refracted ray, here you are able to see, I made it in specially in red color so that you will be able to see the ray which is passing. So the incident ray here you are able to see, and the refracted ray you are able to see EF. So EF is an refracted ray which is in the glass, that is in the prism. FS is an emergent ray which is coming out of the surface AC, that is, this is coming out from the prism. So this is an emergent angle. This is an emergent ray which is coming out, making an emergent angle. So this is coming out, which is the ray which is coming out from the prism towards the surface AC is called as an emergent ray. Fine. So these are the three types of rays that you are able to see. Now we'll start with an angle. Now one more thing, that is an where it is getting bent from. So this incident ray which is striking on the surface makes bends from a perpendicular direction. This perpendicular direction is called as a normal. So here on the surface AB, the normal is n dash, and the normal on AC surface is m dash. So this is a normal here and this is a normal here. Normal are perpendicular to the surface. These are at 90 degree towards the surface. This is at 90 degree and this is also at 90 degree. So these two are at 90 degree from the surfaces. So this is surface AC and this is perpendicular on the surface AC, m and m dash, right? So these are the two faces and these are the perpendicular ones. Okay, now going furthermore is angle of incident. This is angle of incident, angle of refraction and angle of emergent, I, R and E. So we are going to see from the diagram which are these angles. So this is an angle of incident. This angle of incident is made by an incident ray towards the normal, that is from the normal we are counting. So this is a normal n dash, and from the normal n dash this incident ray is making an angle I. In the same way, from this particular normal, the ray which is refracted inside the glass is making an angle here. So this angle made by the refracted ray towards the normal is called as an angle of refraction. This you are able to see as an angle of refraction, right? So these are the two angles. One angle is here and another angle is here. I will darken it out, these two angles. So this is an one angle that you are able to see here. This is an angle of incident and this is an angle of refraction. This is also an angle of refraction and this is an angle of emergent, right? So this is an angle of emergent which is E. This is an angle of emergent made E from the normal m dash on the ray on the surface AC by the emergent ray. So this emergent angle makes an angle E from M dash on the normal on the surface AC by an emergent ray. So the angle is between normal and the emergent ray. Normal and the emergent ray. Fine. This angle is called as an angle of emergence. Fine. Furthermore, angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. This is we have written angle of deviation. Now, what is an angle of deviation? Is a peculiar shape of the prism makes the emergent ray bend angle. A peculiar because of the peculiar shape of the prism makes the emergent ray bend at an angle to the direction of the incident ray this angle is called as an angle of deviation. Now I will explain you from the diagram what is an angle of deviation. Now actually the incident ray actually has to pass this way. This has to pass towards the edge, passing from G towards the edge. This should actually have passed this way, but you see the ray is coming out in this direction. That is an emergent direction. In this direction it is coming out. So if I extend the back side of the emergent ray, you will see it meets to an incident angle at certain point. So actually the ray should had deviated like this. If you see the incident ray has deviated actually like this. So deviation. So this incident ray has deviated like this. So this deviation between the incident ray and emergent ray is called as an angle of deviation. So I'll darken it out as D is an angle of deviation. This is an important thing. D is an angle of deviation. Now as you see, this angle is larger compared to this because it bends towards the normal. When incident ray passes from rarer medium, that is air, towards the denser medium, which is glass, it bends towards the normal, making an angle smaller. In the same way, this is an refracted ray from the glass, that is from the denser medium to the rarer medium. You see the angle is growing larger. This is a larger angle compared to this angle, so it bends away from the normal. This is how it gets bends up to. Fine. So I hope so you understood about how the ray diagram is made of an refraction of light through the glass prism, and what are the different angles and what are the different rays which are formed by this particular prism. Fine, we'll keep up till here for this particular video. Thank you.